Hi, welcome to Tayana Solutions. Preparing a thorough, complete job description is a critical first step in the selection process. The job description provides the candidate with a clear description and a main objective of the position and also assists them in determining if they can perform the duties of the position. So, I have my director Samit here with me today who is going to give a brief description about the position. Hi Samit, how are you?
Hi Tejashri, I'm doing good and how are you?
I'm good, Samit. Thank you. So, could you please brief us what are we going to discuss in this video?
Yeah, so basically today we will be talking about the complete profile of a new position which we are looking to hire, and it goes by e-commerce project manager.
Okay.
As all of us know, the e-commerce is a amazing industry, booming industry, and it's the need of an hour. So a person who would be in this place is going to be very excited, and we have a lot of projects and work in hand and coming, which would be giving this person an edge to perform at greater satisfaction and greater heights of the work he would be doing. So in a very nutshell, I'll just tell you the agenda, which is in four folds,
Okay.
which will have your roles and responsibilities. It will be products you would be associated with and working on. It would be the first month, which is a very critical month for any new person who joins any company. And in this case, when he or she comes on board with Diana Solutions, what would be, the first month would look like in terms of the engagement.
Mhm.
And then we will be also discussing about certain distinctive facts why this person should join Diana Solutions. So this is a agenda for this meeting today in a nutshell.
Oh, that sounds interesting. So, let's start with the title and also the description. The title is, as Samit said, it's e-commerce project manager. And let's quickly move to the
Mhm.
description.
All right. So here is the description, which is also called as roles and responsibilities of this person, which almost covers the entire gamut of the profile of this position. It starts from a very beginning of anything, which is a project plan.
Mhm.
So unless until you have a good plan in place, it would be not easy and possible to achieve something bigger. So it's a need of any project when you do. So we are looking for this person to be well versed with the knowledge of how to build a new plan and also to monitor and control. So once you have a plan in place, then how do you uh, check the health of the project is through monitoring it daily basis, weekly basis, and so on and so forth. And then how do you control the progress? How do you make sure it is pushed enough to reach your aim of delivery on time? And this project plan needs to be comprises of the entire details of the work or project, and it should be in agreement with the customer's understanding and his expectation. It should satisfy everyone. So we expect this person to be very knowledgeable, experienced on this part at least, where he or she is able to build up or plan out a detailed project plan. Then second thing, to check the health of the project, it is required that you do a complete uh, uh, review of your work or project or progress. It can be your weekly, fortnight, or monthly review. We prefer to get it done weekly so that it is not too less and too more to discuss anything. So weeks is a good time for us to show some progress and update the customer. How is it going? What all things we planned and we achieved? What all things we would be doing in the coming weeks? Is there any change of direction of moving forward? We should be considering any observation, any suggestions, any corrections. So this review is entirely uh, based on the success for any project, and this gives complete uh, check and balance of how the project is moving. Then a very important aspect of this engagement or any engagement in this any project, let it be a e-commerce project in this instance, whenever you are dealing with a customer, to handle their emotional aspect is a very very critical job for any project manager.
Yeah.
You would be dealing with lots of coordination between the team of customer side, the team of your internal organization. You would be coordinating between multiple departments and groups, and same time you will be having some challenges. It could be related to technology, it could be related to any other technical issues, glitches you may come across in the projects. So that can lead to any discomfort in client, which could be emotionally be either it is shown by any means of communication, could be email or a message, or it could be on a weekly call or any other meeting for that matter. So it is highly important that this person understands the importance and know how to handle the emotional aspect of client handling, and also the technical issues, though he may not be very very highly technically skilled, but to address that you need to bring the right person on right time and get that thing done, so that the customer is satisfied, and all of these activities end of the day getting done for customer satisfaction. Then going forward, you have to continue these monitoring and controls and project plan to be followed up. Then once your project is reached a status of go live, or it is a status of completion, at that time you have to get a appreciation or a confirmation email from customer for project completion.
Mhm.
This is the recognition of a good work is done by the team internally, so that even you can pass on this appreciation to your team members and say, hey, the client is happy, you guys have done a good job. So that gives them a moral boost, that also keeps them on toast for the next project. They are happy, they've been recognized the hard work they have done. And also customer would be by writing it or before writing it, he or she must be happy or satisfied to do this. So that's the second part, that customer will do this only when they are really happy and satisfied. So it is satisfying the customer side of the need as well as the appreciation for the team from a client or a customer. Then this position requires to coordinate work with the functional and technical consultants, since this any integration of e-commerce is not only a data part, or it is not only a mapping, or it is not only understanding the front end and the back end or the APIs or any other technical. It is like who would be master, would be slave, how the data flow will work. So there's a lot of design and functional aspect involved. Then there is a lot of technologies involved on what platform that application is built, and how will you be integrating with the application too, and which what is the platform it is built on. So there is a lot of technical aspect, there is a lot of functional aspect, data aspect, which this position is required to coordinate and work with. The team would be entirely based out of India offices, and this person has to be coordinating with them uh, closely to get this done. Now, when I say closely, it involves a daily review, and it's like a monitoring and controlling your deliverables
Mhm.
uh, on daily basis with your internal team. So you would have when you have a larger goal to achieve, you do not just go ahead and start working on to achieve that goal. You always have to break it down into multiple achievable uh, objectives and milestones that would help you by connecting all of them to reach to a bigger goal. So that translates into your ability to get the work done on a daily basis from your team. If you miss on one day, you are adding a day delay in your project, or you will be stressing your team to complete that extra work on other days. So which is not recommended, which is not correct when it comes to the planned work has to be done on a planned time and date, and deliveries has to be, get out from our side as planned and as scheduled. So the daily review, daily monitoring and daily deliverables for this person position is extremely important to achieve any project success. Then how would you do all of this? You would require to do this through multiple channels, communication channels. It could be a Zoom video, it could be a Teams audio video call, it could be a WhatsApp messages, it could be Teams chat, email, or a telephone call. So the person has to be, be available at all of these channels. Imagine your customer may be writing on WhatsApp group, then another customer is talking to you on email, then you are already talking with your team on Teams channel, then you have received a telephone from a colleague. So all of these channels are extremely important in our work because we work from different locations. So you might be, responding to different people on different channels and mode of communication. So this profile also requires a person who is very savvy with the technology, who has this multitasking capability to switch from one to another, and can be, available all places same time, and can be working also, and you will be coordinating with your internal team, you will be answering customer, you may be working with prospect on something. So it requires the person to be, very well smart enough to handle all of these things. So that's in a brief or detail, whatever you call it, this is what is in a nutshell required, Tejashri, from this person as roles and responsibilities.
Okay. So, Samit, what are the technical and soft skills are we looking for?
Very good question. Though this profile is not a highly technical profile, but there are certain aspects of technical requirements which are very important and must to have in this person. So let me start with the experience we are looking at. So we are talking about 8+ years of experience for this position.
Mhm.
The gentleman or person who would have spent 8+ years should be eligible and can apply for this. They are welcome. Then we're also talking about the experience of project management at least for 2 years.
Okay.
This is very important because we are talking about entire uh, project management done by any this role is absolutely for the e-commerce project manager, as a title goes. It is require complete project management skills. So he or she should have experience of minimum 2 years in project management, so that we are comfortable with the person.
Okay.
Then if he or she has worked on a client in their earlier experience with client size of say about 25 millions to 250 millions, it would be ideal for us, because more than that is not something we would be targeting. Our market is right now, and less than that would also be very small for any this kind of engagement to be done with them. So this is the ideal size, 25 to 20 50 million US dollar. If they have worked any customer, serviced any customer before this in this bracket, that's great to have. Then experience in business to business and business to commerce, or business to customer e-commerce portals is very important. More they have exposed themselves, more they have experienced their work with B2B and B2C customers and portals, that would be ideal for us to have this person. So while we are going to evaluate this person, this part would play a vital role in it.
Okay.
Then as this project manager would be part of the entire project, so the integration is integral and very core part of it. So knowledge of the payment integration, how it works, the shipment integration, how it works, And if they have done any other integration in this space would be more helpful and is must required for this position in a technical aspect of understanding how it works.
Mhm.
And if they have experience in a few industries like apparel, furniture, and e-commerce projects, I mean, that would be more value added for us, because that would easily will be, syncing with what we are looking at right now. So apparel industry, furniture, and any e-commerce projects they have done, this is what is required. Then we also want this person to understand the sales and purchase and inventory. This is something which any business needs to have bare minimum when it performs. You would be selling something, you'd be purchasing something, and you would be having some material which you would be either stocking or producing or trading, right? You may be buying from some person and supplying to another person. So the sales, the purchase, and inventory, these three things are extremely important at this moment for this person to start with. And to do this, you require a knowledge of finance, because whenever you do any sale purchase, the money is involved, the finance is involved. This person, if has done any certification or if has any degree in the financial management side, would be added plus plus for us to have this. And as we have discussed earlier as well, this needs to be person needs to be well acquainted with the project management tools, and definitely with the PowerPoints and the Microsoft Office, Excel especially. And if they have worked on any other tool and they want to recommend and suggest, we would welcome that and we would enable that for them as well in the organization. So this is what is required as a technical touch points, I would say, for this desired, profile of this person, Tejashri.
Okay, now we'll move to the soft skills.
Okay, soft skills are very general in nature, but few things are a little different than we would be highlighting them. I would be telling more about them. Number one, we are looking for a person who has excellent communication skill. At least his speaking skills are very good, as he or she would be working with the North American, US, Canada customers or European customers. So this is something which is, very much needed. We cannot go without this. So this is a must. Then that person should have worked on a T&M billing projects. These T&M is a time and material billing type. It is not a fixed project cost you give, or it is not it is not a fixed bid. It is not something which can be, I would say, which can be calculated how much time and efforts it would take to get this work done. Rather, we take this up as on T&M. For example, if you are doing a day-to-day activity that has to be entered in a timesheet, and then you have to know how to share it with your customer and get it approved. Similarly, applies for your team member. If you have team of 4 people working with you, for example, and you yourself, then 5 people needs to be get billed on a weekly basis or a daily basis or a fortnightly basis. Depends how do we model it up. But this is required that T&M billing, they have worked on these projects and they understand how it works. Then the ability to interact with C-level client profiles. Since you would be for this kind of a engagement, typically senior level folks of the organization are the decision makers, and they themselves directly are involved, and it is required to, dealing with the C level of CXOs of the organization. So you should have experience and ability to have this or get this done nicely.
Okay.
Then highly disciplined, because now we are not in a position to uh, you know afford any mistakes or any take any chances. Now the market is tough, the environment, because of this situation of today's industries and pandemic, it has become more difficult, and it is important the person is very disciplined and punctual, and does not have to be, pushed for everything. They needs to be, act or work or plan or follow the planned work and in a disciplined manner, and all of this is required. The systems and processes are very important. uh, Everything is technology driven. Everything has nowadays access through technology. So the process documents, or it could be the process of doing one work, or when you are doing a one integration, or you're doing one project from discovery phase to go live, customer satisfaction, that entire bit if you are doing, you should have you should have noted down everything. All the processes must have been saved as templates, and you should have used system adequately to get all this done with you. So the systems, processes, documentation is extremely important again.
Mhm.
Then, as I was telling you that this time we are not in a position to have multiple people to look after project. You might be the self learner. You might have to be the ability to work independently also without the help of many people for any particular work. For example, since you will be the owner of this particular project, given XYZ project, you would require to find yourself in a position of a researcher and come up with a solution for any problem or any stuck point or any challenge your team would be facing. You might have to enable them to today get this work done. So as a manager, you cannot shy away or say it's not my part. I'm not a technical guy, or I'm not a functional responsible person at this moment. But you have to take the ownership and do research, find the solution. So you should have the ability to follow the today's new norm, which is not a classroom training. Nowadays everything is on online online universities, all the websites, blogs. Many of the technical websites, functional people have technical people have posted a lot of experience work. So you should be able to enroll yourself there, make yourself updated with the progress happening around you on this particular domain and industry you're working on. And then you should be able to enrich your team and capable your team of more and more information, and also the problem solving person. You got to be a team player because you always be working with a team, and you have to be self starter and motivating person for you, for self motivator as well as motivation builder for your team. So this is what is required. Now let's talk about the working hours. This is something any person who is willing to apply for this position needs to be considering. This is not a position which would be ever going to be a day shift. It is always going to be a night shift of Indian Standard Time. So typically in the evening, like 6 o'clock, it starts and goes up to 3 in the morning or 4 in the morning. Depends on what your manager or your reporting person would assign you. But this would be the one, and it will not change. It will remain same for entire uh, years or time you work with us. So that is what is required for the soft skills, Tejasvi.
Okay, that's great, Samit. So, what are the tools candidate will be working on?
See, they would be working on a few of the tools, and to name a few, the one is WooCommerce, WOO Commerce, then Zoho, Zoho Marketing Hub, or it could be Zoho CRM, then the products of Microsoft 365. So these are the few tools, just to name them. A person would be required to work on these products.
Okay, so what the candidate will be doing in the first month after joining Tayana Solutions?
Okay, we don't know about many months from today when the person comes on board, but definitely this is something which we have kind of thought and planned for this position person. So there are four things again in this four breakdowns, I would say.
Okay.
Starts with the training, which is more of an internal communication, like knowing your own ground.
Mhm.
What are the multiple ways of or modes of communication we have within our company? Then how do we track our work? How do we track our timesheets? How do we track our task of daily routine work? How do we manage team? How do we work with multiple type of profiles of people? And what are the channels we are using for what purpose? So there's a lot of training on the communication and getting acquainted with the team and modes and methods of communication, talking, storing the information going forward. So all of this introduction will happen. Then you will be introduced to the particular teams. Few
Mhm.
of them would be directly related to your work. Few of them may not be today, which may be later on the day. So introductions will happen. Then comes the real working part, where we will give you a test scenarios for some instances, like a self-practice work, where you can take up the instance which has been already done by our team in the past. It is like a real example, but has gone past. We have already done it. So you can practice that. You can understand how it was done. You can compare it with your knowledge, or how you would have done at that time if you were there, and you can add value to it, or you can just assess yourself and understand the work. So on and so forth. This exercise would let you do. And the last thing in the month, when you towards the month, when you're approaching end of the month, what you would be doing is would be started to get the real time clients interaction. So that's where the live production incidents will be assigned to you. May not be fully, but partially, yes. And then you will be actually on your feeds on your own from the month end. So it's not a lot of honeymoon period we have for anyone. So 1 month with this experience of 8 years plus, and a lot of things I mentioned in my earlier slides and points I mentioned, of all of that matches, I don't see any problem in this person getting on work in a less than a month's time. So that's the 1 month plan, Tejashri.
Okay, so now here comes one of the most interesting question. Who should join Tayana Solutions?
Everyone should join Tayana Solution who is having certain issues with respect to the work culture, the boredom of the work you are doing, less of excitement in the work, lack of challenges in the profile or work you are doing. You're being typecast as particular person. Your expression towards your goals in life, and your expression towards what you want to do is not, you know, being respected. And you wanted to be or you are an entrepreneur type of a person, and you have those abilities where you can independently build your team, can perform, can be a practice director or a practice head person. So I think this is the place, 360 degree view, if I do, of the problems I have been understanding from the past few years. We've been talking to many of the people in the industry, and who have, few of them joined, few of them have not, and few of them we have not asked them to join us. There's a lot of experience we have gained, internal politics to boredom to challenges to, sometimes you may be looking for a big MNC, but that doesn't fulfill your dreams and desire. You would end up getting one of thousands of person who doesn't get counted anywhere, just like a mob, and everybody is doing rat race, you also in the rat race. So Tana Solutions is a very different company, I would say, very vibrant company. And it gives always a means of establishing and showing yourself and your skills. So this is a good platform, good company to work with, I would say. So this is all about it.
Oh, well, thank you so much, Samit, for taking time and providing us the detailed job description. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Sounds good. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye.